What's up, Beaners? Day 31. So, got the headers on. She looks tight, son. Passenger side fits amazing. Everything fits good. We got clearance on the control arms. We got clearance on everything. What I like about these is that it doesn't make it impossible for spark plugs. So that's really nice. Driver's side's the same. I got the driver's side on too, but I had to make a slight modification. Let me pull it off and I'll show you guys real quick. All right, y'all, so this one, this primary right here, the cylinder one, it was hitting on the motor mount. So like the clamshell that goes on the motor mount. If you were using the stock one with the adapter plates, hold on, turn this fan up. So if you're using the adapter plates with the stock clamshells and you have your engine all the way forward, this primary is gonna hit your motor mount. So what I had to do was notch a little corner out of it, and it clears with maybe like a 1/4 inch of clearance right here on this tube. But if you have it in any other position, I don't think it would be a problem, because usually when most guys swap them, it's I think it's all the way back, or the one right before it. I don't remember how I did it on my other dually with the 4L80. But if you have it all the way forward, let's say you're doing a 6090 or you're keeping the stock AC, the primary on the Schoenfeld headers for cylinder one is going to hit the motor mount. So it's not a very pretty cut at all, but I did as much as I could to clean it up. But you got to cut that little corner out of it so that it actually clears this. So I'm going to pull these off. I still have to weld the V-bands on them. So I'm going to weld the V-band on it. And I'm going to go ahead and throw it on. Well, no, I can't do that. I'm getting ahead of myself again. What we will do, I need to get it back up, drill the holes for the cross member, bolt it down, bolt the transmission mount down, and then bolt the motor mounts down. That way everything's good. Also, this is the stock line from the donor truck, which is the 2008 2500 HD with Hydro Boost. Same fitting. All I did was pop the old hose out, and this one is the one that came from the truck, so it's still on the pump. And just popped it back in there, tightened it up, and it's good. So, yeah, before we put the headers on, let's do that. Let's get it on the lift, bolt everything down, and then we can weld the V-bands on those and throw them in. And then we can move on. This is exciting. It's a bunch of little stuff now. All the major stuff is done. So that's really exciting for me. But it's all little stuff that usually takes forever. So let's get to it. That sucked. This shavings get hot and it burns, but it's done. So let's bolt the transmission cross member down, and then we'll bolt the transmission mount down. Then we can knock out the motor mounts. Oh man, those shavings get hot and feel like little micro burns, like when you're welding or something. Ooh. Focus. Not too bad. Let's knock the other one out. Jesus, what's up with the phone today? Let's get that one up here now. Do the same thing, and then we'll paint up the welds and any scuffs, and then throw them back in. All right, y'all. Got those bolted on. Got the engine bolted in. Transmission's bolted in. These sides bolted on. We're gravy, baby. One thing I was looking at is I might have to trim this out right here, which really isn't a big deal. Might just cut it across. Damn. Might just cut it across here, or maybe just notch it here for the air conditioning lines. But it's looking good. Slow progress is still progress. That's all I got time for today, fellas. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.